What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we are digging and we are delving into a brand new project, and this is going to be my first review on this project, and I'm absolutely bullish on the concept this project is working on. It's definitely something that a lot of people and a lot of you guys are going to get hooked on, because this definitely has a direct relationship to the real world, to a real world situation. It's definitely got something. I don't want to spoil anything for you guys right now because I want you to get hooked on this video. I want you to watch the video up till the end, because I'm pretty sure you're going to like the idea. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to interact with the project. I'm not sure if you're going to be interested in investing with the project, because I am, but I definitely hope that you're going to be able to hook yourself into this project, because again, it's got a direct relationship into something that a lot of people experience in the world. I haven't had the pleasure of doing that, but thanks to this project, I might be able to do that. I might be able to get like a preview, a sneak peek experience, so to speak, into that kind of situations. So let's get into it. I will head over and I will jump on screen right now and show you guys and walk you through their website, show you they have to offer. They are running right now a huge pre-sale that a lot of people already got into, that a lot of people have already interacted with. If you guys are interested and if you are curious, definitely watch this video till the end, and I definitely hope that you guys will be able to benefit from everything I've shared with you in this video. Unfortunately, I'm only going to be able to show you guys the highlights. I will leave all the links and info down in the description of the video, so make sure you guys check out the links and also have access to all the info, because I'm not a financial advisor, so you're going to have to do your own research on everything I'm going to share with you guys on this video. Having said that, without further ado, let's hit it. So here we are, guys, on the official website page of this project, and we are talking here about Everest, and from the looks of it, you already know that this project right here has got a direct relationship with the Everest mountain and with that whole experience. So in this video, we are going to explore how Everest here and how this project right here makes it so much easier for people to get like a preview experience, a sneak peek experience into how the whole Everest situation is going to be for people who are actually going to do it in real life. So the first thing I would advise for you guys to do here is to check out their white paper, as this is the #1 source for anyone who wants to have all the info out there and has access to everything on any project out there. Make sure you guys first thing check out their white paper. So a brief introduction into Everest. So it's a token to climb in virtual and clean in real, to conquer the peaks you'll need to improve your skills through engaging mini games, enhancing your dynamic NFT climber, explore the NFT marketplace to equip yourself with top-notch gear, then ascend to the summit to compete against fellow climbers. So right here, we already know that we have an NFT marketplace that you're gonna have to interact with in order for you to have a better experience on Everest here. You also have a play to earn game, and it's free, by the way, and you can play it on their website. And it's also a preview on how the experience is going to be like when you are actually climbing Everest. So I love this concept right here, because I'm always fond of projects who have actually direct relationships into real world situations, real life situations. You guys, I'm super bullish on real world assets. I'm super bullish on tokenization. So we could be looking here at tokenizing, traveling, tokenizing, experiences, outdoor experiences. So Everest might actually be here a pioneer of tokenizing outdoor experiences or outdoor leisure, as you guys can see with me. So feel free to read all the info here on their white paper. Like I said, I'm only going to be able to show you guys the highlights, but I'm going to keep it very brief, and I will show you the most important parts, and I will leave it up to you to do the rest and do your own research by leaving all the links and the info down in the comment section of this video. And the thing I want to focus on this video is their own pre-sale, which is running right now, and you can buy into this project and you can invest into this project right here on an early access. And you guys got 2 days left from the time I'm recording this video. I don't know how much you're gonna have left when you're watching this video. So grab your chance as soon as possible, as early as possible, so you can have an early access into this project right here, so you can set yourselves for better profits, higher gains in and level up your crypto portfolio. So the way you're going to be able to participate into their own pre-sale is by interacting with it on Gamepad right here. So right here on this page, you're going to find all the data, all the info about their own pre-sale right here. So you're going to find the token symbol, you're going to find the supply right here, the blockchain, the game engine. So we're actually talking about the Polygon ecosystem and the Polygon blockchain, which is an ecosystem that I'm super bullish on. I've reviewed a lot of projects, a lot of gems, a lot of cryptocurrencies on this ecosystem, and it's an explosive system actually. So right here, like I said, you're going to be able to interact with it. All you're going to have to do is just connect your wallet. You have a variety of wallets right here. Like most people are using MetaMask, that I know. So you could connect to your MetaMask wallet, and you're going to have some Matic into your own wallet. Then you're set yourself to buy with USDT, and you can type in the amount right here, 10%, 25%, 50%, all the way to 100%, and the minimum is only 20 USDT. So this gives you also people who are, you know, average traders or average investors, you can buy as a minimum of $20, which is very low and also very affordable for a lot of you out there. And you can also buy $50, $100, and the maximum buy is 8,000 USDT here, which again speaks a little bit about how they want to control the kind of people who are going to have the maximum supply or the maximum purchases on this cryptocurrency right here, because they don't want whales, they don't want panic selling after the pre-sale is done. So this is definitely something that is good to me. I'm not sure if you guys feel the same way, but I always like projects or cryptocurrencies who put a maximum supply on their pre-sale, because this is the only way, pretty much, I think, the only way you could avoid whales. You could avoid random people buying like huge amount, $100,000, $50,000, like 50%, 25% of the supply. And when actually, you know, after the launch or after the cryptocurrency, the token gets listed, they just end up selling on the back of hundreds and hundreds of other investors who invested $20, $25. So this is not something that is fair in this space right here, and we all understand that. So this is definitely a good tactic, and this is definitely a good idea that this project put in, and I personally like it. So like I said, we have here the estimated token distribution, and you're gonna have a lot of info right here on this page. You can even watch this video right here, which is a brief introduction into it's like a trailer on Everest here, and you're gonna find also like sneak peeks, previews into their own game, which I will be showing you. And on this part, you're gonna find their Everest game, which I mentioned earlier. So right here we have training. Right here we also have some sneak peeks, some tasks that you're gonna be doing. So for example, here, climb to earn, we have climb to clean, and as you scroll down, you're gonna find two sections. We have the training sections, the equipment sections, and each one with different slides right here. So you're gonna have to check out all the slides, and you're gonna have to check out all the equipments there are, which are set as NFTs that can be used within this game right here. And we also have the training with 6 slides as well, and you can check out all the different training strategies and categories. And like I said, if you scroll down a little bit more, you're gonna find the competition. And the best thing right here about this, me bringing this video to you guys right now, is that they have an ongoing competition. We have here a competition from the demo league all the way to the boss. So we have here each competition with different quizzes and different tasks right here, all the way to the final one, which is the boss. So you're gonna have to check that for yourself. And on this section here, you're gonna find their clean feature, where you basically contribute to clean Mount Everest. And the way this is done is, if you watch this video, you're gonna find a detailed description into how you can actually contribute to this good behavior right here. And if you are fond of nature, if you are fond on preserving the environment, big places like Mount Everest, this is definitely something that you can start with. And right here are their tokenomics, which is very, very vital and important for you guys to check out as well, because this way you're going to find the kind of economic model this project or this cryptocurrency is based on, especially on this phase right now, which is their pre-sale. So it's definitely good to know that their economics are already out there for display, for access, and anybody can already access them, and they already have everything figured out even during their pre-sale phase, which is an ambiguous kind of phase with any project out there, because a lot of projects get the full idea on how to set their economic model after they already done with their pre-sale. But this right here already got their tokenomics out there for everybody to see. And of course the roadmap is also something you guys want to check out, because this is how you will understand whether your expectations align with the goals and the vision of this project right here. Each roadmap and each phase of the roadmap has got different achievement, different goals. So you're gonna have to check it out. And what I like about it is that it is detailed, you know, everything in each phase. There are many different goals, many different achievements and fulfillments. So this is definitely something that is good to know, because it speaks volumes on the kind of experts and how experienced the team behind this project is. And talking about the team, they are fully docs, and you're gonna find their info right here, from their founder all the way to their operations reporter. So this is definitely something that is very good to know as well. You always want to interact, you always want to invest and put your money or assets or time into a project that you know their team is at least stocks. There is an actual team, not just a couple guys working behind, I don't know, whatever screens, and then they just end up rug pulling, because that is a big issue in this space right now. But this is definitely something that is quite the opposite from that, and it's supposed to give you some kind of reassurance, hopefully. And like I said, guys, there is an actual competition that is ongoing right now. There is $2,000 for you guys to win, and these are the details of this competition right here. So the first goes out with $320, and the 10th goes out with $10. So you guys get to see that the first always gets to win, or goes with the biggest reward. And this right here is where you can run their game, which is, by the way, so smooth. And you can try this game right here by just click on and start. You can log in if you already have an account, create an account. It's so smooth, the process is very easy. And if you scroll down, you're gonna find some sneak peeks into their own game and how you can get started on the game. And right here you're gonna find some guides, you know, some guidelines. So for example, this is the control, and this is how you're going to use your keyboard, for example, to play the game. So left arrow, slow down, right arrow, accelerate, thanks for playing, and the space bar is for jumping. So you can find here more info regarding the playing mechanisms on this game. And like I said, these are some previews right here on the game, and you can find different slides. Preview sneak peeks into their own game, and you guys can try it out. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything, and you get to actually get rewards, and you get to actually win free rewards by just playing the game, because it's a play to earn game. And you get to also clean Mount Everest and earning rewards all at the same time. And like I said, I'm really bullish on this game right here, because again, I'm always fond of projects, you know, that are or have a direct relationship into worldwide issues, worldwide situations. And this right here is definitely a winning product, and this is right here is definitely something that I would get excited on, even if I'm not an investor, even if I'm not really interested in it. It would just, you know, appeal to me as a project or a product in the crypto space, because you can never have too many options out there. So you could add this to your portfolio and add this to your watch list, and you'll definitely gonna see the progress and the results on this cryptocurrency and this project later on after they launch. So even if you're not gonna have to interact with their own pre-sale or take action, just stay tuned. And the best place for you guys to stay tuned is their own social media, which you will find right here at the bottom of their website right here. So for example, you can give their Twitter account, formerly Twitter, now their X account, a follow. They already have hundreds of followers here, and you can check out and you can stay updated on everything they post to their communities, especially right now at this phase of their pre-sale. You can also stay tuned for future developments, for future progress, and for future events. They could be doing giveaways, airdrops, and you definitely want to participate in these giveaways. And the best way for you to do that is to give them a follow here, but also make sure you guys give them a follow or join their Telegram community as well. They already have 300 almost 400 members, and people are talking here. You can stay updated here, get to see what other people are saying on Everest here, especially most of the people that you're going to find here are mostly investors and people who already bought into their pre-sale. So you're going to be able to find what people already said, especially existing investors. And you're going to be able to chat with other people as well, say whatever you want, stay positive on their community, and you definitely might set yourself up for, future giveaways, future airdrops. But definitely on their social media is where you want to stay yourself updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please smash it with a big like. I'd appreciate that a lot. And if you have anything to say on Everest, please note down your comments and your thoughts, your ideas, questions down in the comment section of this video. I'll make sure to check out everything and respond. And if I can help with anything, I'll definitely do. Also, let me know if you want me to bring you guys more updates, content. You can definitely find more updates on Everest here, especially after their own launch or after their own pre-sale. You're going to find all the updates by posts on my own Telegram channel, so follow me there as well. And if you want more content and videos, please let me know down in the comment section of this video. I'm super bullish on this project, like I said, and I think their pre-sale is definitely going to be explosive, and a lot of people are already hooked on it, including myself. So if you want to set yourself up for projects legit and projects that are actually doing something for the world, that are actually engaging with the crypto space or the crypto communities, using real world issues, real world assets, or real world concepts like traveling, like trying excursions, leisure, outdoor experiences, it's definitely the best project out there, and this is definitely one of the projects you can start with. So stay tuned on their social media and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and I hope I catch you on the next.